the easiest way to do spell check on Canva? Now, Canva is a design tool. It's not a text tool. However, a lot of creators, including me and possibly you, are using Canva now to create a lot of designs which has a lot of text. So presentations, documents, flyers, posters, and one of the tools that we need a lot, a feature that we need a lot when we do any kind of text is spell check and grammar check. So this video will talk about what is the easiest way to do spell check on Canva. Hi everyone, my name is Poulomi and I help you create designs that tell your brand story. And in this video, we will talk about the tool Magic Write in Canva, which is the easiest way to do spell check. If you're not using Canva, go ahead and try it out 30 days for free. It's an absolutely fantastic tool if you need to create designs and more text, as I said. So yeah, check it out. There's a link in the description, or just type Canva in your browser and you're ready to go. Now, this video, we will talk about one specific feature called Magic Write. It is an AI tool of Canva. It is a part of Canva's Magic Studio. So definitely go check it out. There's also a link in the description to the Magic Write tool. And we will see how easy it is to check spellings in Canva with the Magic Write tool. So let's get started. To check how Magic Write works in Canva to fix spellings, I just will do it in 2 steps. First, we look at some few simple words and see if Magic Write can fix it. And then we will look at a more elaborate piece of text to see if Magic Write can fix that as well. So before we start, I have to tell you that I have a spell check enabled on my Google Chrome. And I also have Grammarly installed, so it can also spot and fix errors. But we're going to try and do that within Canva with Magic Write. So I typed in these words, which are obviously, you can see the actual spellings of the words. I mean, you know what these words are. They're very simple. So now I'm going to click on them. So now it is highlighted, which means these are wrong spellings. And this is being detected by my browser, by Google. Google is saying this is wrong. So if I, for example, if I right click on this, it will prompt me the right word. If I right click on this, it prompts me 3 different words and I can change it over here. But let's see if it works in Canva. So now I select all of that and you go to Magic Write and you click on Fix Spelling. When you do that, let's see what happens. So now it's fixing and it fixed, right? Now you have to remember that Magic Write is an AI tool. So over here, this bit I had BLCK, it could have been any of the words as Google had prompted me. It could be black, it could be block, it could be back, but because it's an AI tool, it's trying to find this word in the context of what is over here. And it's probably trying to fix it as black. To be honest, it could have fixed it as block too. But what I like about Magic Write here is that it has been able to fix the spellings. What I would have preferred is if, like Google, it would have prompted me the word that I actually wanted to type and not just did it by its own imagination. Hey, it's AI. It's trying to do the work for me, but I would have appreciated like options to say, hey, no, I didn't really want black. I wanted black. I wanted block, right? Okay. Now let's look at some elaborate text. Okay, this is just a snippet of text I copied from my blog post. So here you see evidently spellings are wrong, and not just that, they are quite wrong, right? So it is, it's not just these simple words here, but sorry, this is my Grammarly detecting spellings are wrong. So you see here, this is quite wrong. Okay, so, but let's see if Magic Write can fix this as well. That. Magic Write, and then I fix spelling. Okay, and it changed something here. It added a space here. Okay, now I'm going to click on this again to see if if Grammarly is detecting or Google Chrome is detecting any wrong spellings. No, it is not detecting wrong spellings. It just added a space, which is not a problem. But so Magic Write is great to fix spellings, even if they're complicated. And I have tested this with like more elaborate pieces of text as well, made obvious mistakes. Then if I do, for example, if I join the spaces, right? How to spell check, right? If I do that, and then I click on Magic Write,
Let's see if it can fix. It does fix it. It somehow adds a space in here. I don't know why. It did add a space here and a space here. So it works. So this is fantastic because earlier Canva did not have an integrated tool to fix spellings, but now it does. So, and it works for complicated spellings as well. The only thing it will again not do is it will not fix grammar. And yeah, and it does not give you the option of what word, and it just changes it. It doesn't prompt you. It doesn't give you options. It just changes it. So do what you want with it. It's great if that's okay for you. I would still use Grammarly a lot of times just to make sure that the right word is in the right context. Not that where I want to put black, it's block, because Magic Write fixed it as block. So I like having the options, but that's just me. If this works for you, and if you're just doing, something like this, which is just a few words, a sentence in a design, then Magic Write is absolutely fine.
Now, what if the Magic Write tool is not working for you? If it's not giving you the results that you need, or you want to try some other ways to check out spell check on Canva, especially including grammar as well, then there are 6 other ways to do that. I have created a separate video on that. The link is in the description and also there. So go check it out. So now you have 6 plus 1, 7 ways to do spell check on Canva. Hope you like this video, and yeah, if you like to have more Canva tutorials, don't forget to subscribe, and see you in the next video. Thank you.